Here we have a food grinder that stopped working. When we flip switch up and down, it won't make any noise, will not rotate. I tried a breaker in garage, everything was fine, so that was not a reason. Then I realized that we have here reset switch, which was out for about 1/8, and I push it in, so now it's in, and it still won't work. Then I tried with the wrench that was kept under the sink. I tried to rotate back and forth to loosen it up a little bit, and it was a little hard, and I could feel like some grinding and breaking some stuff in it. And when I felt that it's easy to move, I wanted to try switch again. Let only cold water go, and it worked. You can hear that is working, and it is good now. So the thing was, it was stuck a little bit. It was having button reset off. We plug it back in, on, and move it back and forth a little bit, and it's good. Now I think that we can put some dish soap in it. I'll leave it be there for some time, and it will loosen up grime and grease and help it to move more freely. Easy to do. We saved ourselves from replacing whole thing. This is good to know thing. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching.